In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel TurboTax Deluxe. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the cancellation has gone through. Start by opening TurboTax and signing into your Intuit account. You'll need your usual login details to access your dashboard. If you prefer a direct path, there's a link in the description that takes you straight to the TurboTax sign-in page so you can get started quickly. Once you're in, head to your account controls. Click your profile icon or open the account menu, then choose Intuit Account or Account Settings. Different layouts may label this a little differently, but you're looking for the area that manages your personal and billing information. Next, locate your subscription details. Look for a section called TurboTax Advantage or simply Subscriptions. In there, find your active TurboTax Deluxe subscription so you can make changes to it. Open your subscription management options. You'll typically see a button like Manage Subscription or Membership. Select that to bring up actions you can take on the Deluxe plan. Now you're ready to cancel. Click Cancel Membership or Remove Product. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. You may be asked to choose a reason and to acknowledge that cancellation stops future renewals. This step won't usually issue a refund by itself. It simply ends ongoing charges. If you haven't logged in yet or were navigating from another page, use the link in the description to access your TurboTax account first, then repeat the steps to reach the subscription controls. After you confirm, wait for the on-screen confirmation message. TurboTax typically also sends a confirmation email once the cancellation is complete. Keep that email or take a quick screenshot for your records, just in case you need proof later. If your goal is to downgrade or avoid extra charges rather than fully cancel Deluxe, go to your order summary and remove any Deluxe add-ons or optional services. This keeps your base access while dropping extras you don't need. If you've already been charged and believe you qualify for a refund, open the TurboTax refund request page and submit your information. Include the necessary details they ask for so the request can be reviewed. Finally, return to your account page and verify that your TurboTax Deluxe subscription no longer appears as active. If it still shows up, refresh the page or sign out and back in to update the status. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching.